What actually happens when you crack your knuckles? Contrary to the popular myth, it's not your bones grinding together or causing arthritis. The sound is actually from gas bubbles bursting in the synovial fluid, which lubricates your joints. When you stretch or bend your fingers, you create negative pressure within the joint, causing dissolved gases to form bubbles, which then collapse, creating that familiar popping sound. So, next time someone tells you cracking your knuckles is bad, you can assure them it's just your joints letting off a little steam. Got any other myths or curiosities you'd like to debunk? Make sure to comment and follow for more.